Alright, trade recap. I'm gonna try to just make this quick and fast, get everything what I need to say out the way, because I don't really feel like making this, but took a short today, ended up winning, and this candle was crazy, seeing it in real time. This candle was based on Trump, so I don't know how I feel about it, but at the same time, sure, you can say it was lucky, whatever you want to say, I won't disagree. But I put myself in a position to get lucky. So I'm gonna take that W. I'm gonna take it, but just know anything can happen. At this moment in time, Trump could have said we have a peace deal with Iran, but to be exact, I think it was he said the Strait of Hormuz was fully open or something. I don't know. I just like try to check shit, try to twig try to check X right away, see what happened because I just knew it was off some type of news. And yeah, but let's get into the trade. Today was CPI. Um, yeah, here it is. Has total control over the Strait of Hormuz. I think we will keep it. Our naval blockade is being called by everyone a wall of steel. So I guess so. Thank you, Trump. I guess so. Let's get into it. So I was short. I went short because it was based on this bearish SMT on the higher time frame, so 1 hour. And I was kind of like iffy if we wanted to be short because we did invalidate it. This big gap right here on the hourly, but on the 4 hour, I marked out this 4 hour gap. I'll delete it now since it's kind of in the way. But at the time, we were like above here on NQ. We took out this high. It was really this high. No, this high. Took it out on NQ. And at first, I put a scenario out that I wanted to see this 9 a.m. candle right here trade below it and not close. And I didn't wait for it. And it was really close, honestly. But I saw an entry and I just executed. I was confident on the draw. I was confident on the confluences being there. And yeah, I wasn't going to wait. And yeah, so ended up not closing above, which was cool, but it was so close that it doesn't really matter at that point. I'm really not sure, but trade was based on the bearish SMT, um, in this 5 minute gap getting tapped into, and then a nice 1 minute inverse right here. I took it on ES because it is the leading index, and I wasn't gonna go break even right here, or I didn't go break even right here because I could see price, retracing back to the break even and then making its move, which it almost did, like break even and then made this nice leg down. And I still didn't go break even here. And I was monitoring NQ. So NQ looks, geez, both of these assets look horrendous. But yeah, I guess it was a combination of me being confident in this draw. We have this data low from CPI and then this unfilled 4 hour gap. And yeah, that's exactly what price went to, and then we haven't traded in that area since. But yeah, like I mentioned with the break even, I wasn't gonna go break even unless we had some sort of SMT. And yeah, and as price kept developing, didn't look too good. These nice body candles up, didn't look too good for me. But a little after, we got this inverse, and then a couple minutes later, Trump tweeted. So I don't feel like ecstatic about this one, but also it's like I'll take it, man. I'll take it all day. So yeah, I went over everything. I risked it 500 for a 1.3 RR. If I put my stop right here, which I wanted to, it was gonna be a little over 500, and so I just put it a little below just to make it like close to 500. So Yeah, I'm risking 500 because I'm still really collecting data. Like every day I'm just back testing and try to figure out like what kind of style I want to trade, what do I want to use, things like that. Trying to use my own discretion, collecting data, and like you're not going to be profitable following a systematic mechanical strategy. You need this, you need this, you need this. So obviously you're gonna need some form of way you're gonna enter the market, but you got to use your discretion, and then you can't like if you like have confidence in what where the market's gonna go and everything is aligning. There's a narrative behind it. It all makes sense. It's all aligned with the higher time frames. Why aren't you entering? So that's what I'm really that's what I'm trying to do, and I feel like that's what everyone should do. I mean, my mentor has been telling me and his other students that repeatedly. So you're not gonna be profitable with just a systematic strategy. You need more than that, and so I'm really trying to see what works for me. Everyone is different. Every trader thinks differently and trades differently. So use the pieces from wherever you want. Use the pieces from what you see from others traders. Use it for your trading and make it your own and do what works for you. So yeah, that's really it. Tomorrow is PPI, and then yeah, and then we have Friday. So that's it for me. God bless everybody.